DNA air filter for the R12 GS. Should make the sound a little bit better. It also gives a little bit more air, so the horsepower should also be better. So let's install it. Remove the cap. By the way, installation was pretty simple. I need to put the screws back in, but essentially you need to remove the screws. I think it are 6 in total, so 2 here, 2 there, 2 there, and then you can lift up this and put in the new filter. Let's see how it sounds. So a little bit better sound, not as big as a difference with the stage 2 upgrade, of course, on the R13 on the GS, but it's better than it was and should improve the torque and maybe even the horsepower a little bit, and also maybe the fuel or gas response. So let's see how it works. I will see you when I get back on the bike. So we're on the R12 GS. And we have installed the DNA air filter, and I'm really curious if the sound is a little bit different, if the pickup is a little bit different. All in all, these air filters are pretty, they're pretty easy to replace, and it is a really nice upgrade if you don't want to replace your air filter at each time that you do maintenance. So it's better to have one that is cleanable, and the plus is it also breathes a little bit better. And I do notice that the pickup is maybe a little bit sharper. The sound didn't change a lot. It's a little bit more a little bit fuller, a little bit darker, but yeah, that's about it. But still, I highly recommend to check these filters out, because it is again an easy upgrade. It lets your bike breathe a little bit better, and if you're planning to do new headers and maybe a tune, then this air filter will also be quite an improvement. Of course, you're going to ask me, do you need to tune it now? I've talked with DNA and they don't say so. It's not a stage 2 air filter that I have on my R13 on the GS, but even that one doesn't need to be tuned as long as you keep the original headers. So in this case you don't need to tune it, just pop open the seat, put it in, and then you're done. So yeah, overall, highly recommend it. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Hey, are you still watching? Good. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end. I hope you liked it, and if you do, please consider to subscribe, because that would really help the channel. For now, if you want to see anything more, this is my recommended video for you. This is my latest video for you, and again, if you want to subscribe, please tap here.